ka district task force meeting jong ka Riboy district kabakuntup na du ukli du jong ka district u deputy commissioner kinong tre katnat ka koj ka khia kinong tre katnat ka ICDS kinong tre ka social welfare kinong tre katnat ka pule puthi kinong tre mons ngobha ki kli no sanchar snong bat kinong yalam balang mentakasngi kelai kendu ha conference hall ha office u deputy commissioner ha Riboy district halor ka phang ban kentiu ya ka koj ka khia ha ka district hi baro ka we kumju ro la yo ban plino ya ka IMI Sun Point Not kabala tip kum ka intensified mission Indradhanush Sun Point Not ar pulai lawan ban pli ya ka ne ka program da u Dr. ABHISHEK SAINI u IAS officer ha ka jingya don rungkat u Dr. P Kharnari u DM and HO ka Riboy district lembat kiwe de ki officer.
Thank you everyone for being present in today's meeting. So I now formally announce the inauguration for the IMI 5.0, the fifth round of intensified mission Indradhanush for Riboy district to be declared open. And again, I would request your cooperation, not just from the health staff, our very hard-working MOs, but also from education, from social welfare, and most importantly from the Senjuki Rambashnog and the religious leaders and various community persons. We would really need your support to make this program a success. I would like to see Riboy district as the top district in Meghalaya in IMI 5.0, and I hope that we will reach the target of 95% of immunization this time. So thank you very much.
Kani ka IMI PLIE kadai kasien ka basan badon kani ka intensified mission Indradhanush ka bati ka full form ka jong kani ka IMI kadai ka program ka ba kerpang na ka bata ka jing ai tika ya ki Bandung ki ba adu sam sinem di kani kadai ka jing persyam jong kani ka jong i habaro ki district ka jong kani ka India ka jong i bagi yo ban ai pat ya ki inject na amda itu ki kedung ki kena ki badam sadien ki ba dam sakut ki ba krim pat yo ki inject ki jong ki badan kam ina ka benda ka district ka jong i ka Riboy ila ji kerpang ya ki shnong mo ki ba kham sadien ba ki yo shimenta ha ka ni ka program ka ba in dong menta ho yu nai August ni ka ka campaign ka ba in the lai round ho nai August ha ka tayo ba a ho nai September ha ka tayo ka ba nai ba ho nai October ho tayo ba a na du sing din kom adu sing sajan ki shnong ki bala ji na ka benda ban shim ki lagi ban diang ya ka ni ka program ki dong ki ar spa nai way hapo ka district ka joni ki tam kata hi ni ka ni persyam ka ba ni ya de kan bala bangin kentiu ya ka ko kia ka jong
Bali badon kam ban ai kani ka injection ai na
di badon kam ban de ya ka jin ai tika mo ka bade ka service ka bagi ai ha kani ka IMI 5.0 kadai hi kam de ka jin ai tika ka ba kerpang kadai ka bagi jule hi kam kata kadai ka routine immunization tamba kadai ka jin persyam ka bangi da kri pede nam ta kishnong ki ban sadien kenang ba makiro kinlong ki be kishnong ki ba layo pediang ki ba pun ki kilung ki na jom ki layo pediang ya kadai ka jin ai tika de jin kodor la ni bande mo ka daw bagi hap ban le ka ni program kadai ba jin don kam ban ya dai la di na ki jin pang ya bit ba dai kham tam ya ki khat ar li ki jin pang ki ba don ka jin ya da la da yo ya ka inject ki ba hap hapo ka ni ka universal immunization program kata kadai leng ba ka jin ai jom ki tika ki ba dai hapo jom ka national immunization schedule